Today we have an exciting tutorial for you where we're diving deep into the world of zoom tools in Photoshop, unlocking their potential to take your editing skill to the next level. Okay, so the first thing first, let's familiarize ourselves with the zoom tools. You can find it here at the toolbars, and it also or simply press the Z for your keyboard to activate it, and click and drag to create a market tool, or you can just easily use it for zooming this one, and by you can just easily use it and it can help you to zoom in your pictures. Okay, so easy right now. If I want to move it and zoom out it, so you can just do that and it will help you to switch the zoom out mode to the by clicking over here, and it can help you now the zoom out. Okay, so now did you know you can use the mouse scroll while for a quick zoom? Okay, however, you can first scroll up and zoom in and scroll down for to zoom out. Okay, so you can do this you can really, especially when working on a detailed project in there. Okay, so you can do by using here, and it can help you to making the zoom in and zoom out in there. Okay, so before you can, I'll just make it zoom out this one, and here we have the zoom, and if I want to zoom out and all this one just using, then it can help you to using zooming in. Now you can see the 90 tricks called the Scrappy zooms, and you can find however your image, hold down with the edges, and you can easily use it and can click and drag the left or right. You can just click over here. Now it can show you the subs in this way by holding the edges in there. Okay, and also this allows you to zoom in and out dynamically, providing a fluid and intuitive experiences. Okay, so ever found yourself lost in a sea of pixels? Hold on the R and key to temporarily switch, or by bird eye view by clicking over here. Now you can see it can give you as by the bird eyes view. Click an area you want to focus on by clicking over here, and it can help you to find out this one, and also you can release the key and it can help you to here, like if I want to use or the R, let me use and just hold, and you can use it here, and it can help you to have the by bird's eye view. Okay, so it's like having satellite view of your entire project in there. Okay, so and there you have it. Mastering zoom tools in Photoshop is whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, these techniques will undoubtedly enhance your editing workflow. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.